What's good, my beautiful people? You're most welcome back to the channel. I remain a guy, Mr. Kenny, from the beautiful street of Istanbul city. And today we are right here in Taksim Square. As you guys can see, right behind me here is the Republican Monument right here in Taksim Square. And just this side here is a very big mosque here. And there is this legendary train right here. This train actually symbolizes Turkey, you understand? And right in front of me here, this is the Istiklal Caddesi, one of the most busiest streets right here in Istanbul city. And as you guys can see, right all around here, there are a lot of things, there are a lot of shops, and there are a lot of street foods that they are selling around here. So today I will be taking you guys around Taksim Square right here in Istanbul city. And I'm gonna dive you guys down to the Istiklal Caddesi right here in Taksim Square. So make sure you follow me up to the end of the video as we are now diving down deep the Istiklal Caddesi, which is the, you know, the Independence Street right here in Taksim Square. So let's go. As I'm diving you guys down there, make sure you follow me up to the end of the video. Of course, I will be showing you guys everything that is happening on the street of Taksim right here in Istanbul city. Let's take a look at it. There are a whole lot of street foods here. These are different Turkish street foods right here in Istanbul city. You can see there's some maize and a whole lot of different things here. But that's it, guys. As you can see, there are a whole lot of restaurants and different things here. And the street is just, you know, very busy. People are busy doing their daily activities. And for me also, I'm here to show you guys this busy street of Istanbul right here. So let's keep going. One of the fun facts that I want you people to know about this street here is that this street here, on a busy day, over 3 million people walk through this street every busy day. So today I'm taking you on the most busiest street right here in Istanbul city. So let's keep going. I will show you guys everything that is happening here. As you guys can see, there are a lot of people who came here today, and most of the people who are here are tourists, people from different countries, you understand. You can find people of all nationalities right here on this street. And in front of me there is a church that I'm gonna show you guys. Like almost everything is here on this street. Actually, you can find all the different nationalities of the world right here on this street here. So I'm taking you guys on a very important journey today. Make sure you follow me up to the end. Let's keep going. So let's just keep going and I show you guys this beautiful part of Istanbul today. Whole lot of it is just very busy. And there is this place here. Actually, this is where if you want to change your money, maybe you come with some dollars or some euros from your country and you want to change it around here. That's probably where you will change your money from. And here there is a Ziraat Bank. Yeah, this is a bank right here. And there's McDonald's. You understand? If you want to buy McDonald's or if you want to eat McDonald's when you come to Turkey, that is it right over up there. Is a McDonald's restaurant, and there are a lot of people buying it from there. Just the street is too busy, man. Everywhere is just busy. People are busy. Most of the people who come to this part of Istanbul are mostly tourists. You understand? So we are here, and let me grab for myself some street food from here. And let's see. A whole lot of different things here. Merhaba. Bir tane simit ne kadar? 20. Bana bir tane. Evet. I just grabbed this meat right here from this is street vendor right over there. This is one of the street foods right here in Istanbul city. I can say in Turkey here. It's just like bread made with some sesame on top of it here. So I'm just eating it over there on the street here. You understand? One thing I like most about Istanbul city is that, you know, everybody just mind their own business. You understand? As you can see, I'm here on the street vlogging. Nobody care about whatever that I'm doing. They know that I'm vlogging and eating on the street. So guys, let's keep on. It's a legendary journey, understand? So make sure you like the video, and also if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and be part of the family as we keep on going. Let's go. There's another one here, which is the change office. That one is where you change your money. In case if you come to Turkey or to Istanbul as someone who is new or as a tourist, and you have some cash with you which you brought from your country, that's probably where you can change it from. And it's commonly found on this street here because there are a lot of tourists who normally come here, and probably if you come here as a tourist, there must be a need for you to change your currency, because most tourists do come here with dollars or euros, so there will be a need for you to change it. And it's very important, you have to know it, understand? Because maybe one day you will come here with your money and you don't know where to change it from. You might be facing some problems, so I don't want you to be among people who will be facing those problems. You have to know it before you come to Istanbul, you understand? So it's just the busiest street here, and there's some foods here. These different places, some street foods, as you can see. And yeah, let's just keep heading, bro. Whole lot of different things here. And there's this shop. I don't know what they are selling here, but just here, still with my smith. They're hitting on the street of Istanbul, bro. Do here. Even to vlog, you just vlog freely. Understand? Some street foods. These are Turkish made. Actually, these are Turkish made street foods, and it's just like the ones which they make in Gaziantep, because I came from Gaziantep, the city that is known for, you know, different varieties of food right here in Turkey. So it's not new to me. All these things, I've seen them there in Gaziantep city. But in Gaziantep, one thing about that place is that, you know, when you see something, especially on the restaurants, which the pictures which they put outside, mostly when you see the pictures, it's the same thing that you're gonna get inside the plate when you order it, you understand? So in front of me here is the legendary train, as you can see, Taksim tunnel right here. Some people are climbing it behind there, bro. You understand? So it's just crazy here inside Istanbul city. So, you know, this train here, sometimes when it's passing like this, especially in the evening, when it's a busy, you know, mostly in the evening and in the morning, when people are busy and there are a lot of people coming out from their house. Some are going to work and some are going coming from work, because here people work both at night and in the daytime, you understand? So mostly in the morning and in the evening, this train here used to be full and people used to climb behind it, you understand? So in case you come one day to Istanbul here and you see something like that, I don't want you to wonder like, why is this one happening like that? Because it's just something normal here, you understand? So let's keep going. Right there is this is Vodafone, one of the telecommunication networks right here in Turkey. So one day if you come here and you want to use maybe internet, you have to go to this shop, Vodafone. and you buy for yourself one SIM card or any other thing, you know, the credit. If you have the SIM card, you buy the credit and you use it, you understand? So on the street here, some capes which these people are selling, and there are some street foods right here. Maize corn. These ones are grown here in Turkey, you understand? They are grown and cooked right here on the street of Istanbul city. So this is Taksim, bro. One of the busiest street here, Istiklal Caddesi, right here in Istanbul city, with lots of street foods and a very crowded place, you understand? So let me just take you down there and I show you. Actually, this road here heads down to Galata Tower, one of the most historical places right here in Istanbul city. So we are just walking like, currently I'm walking just in history, understand, connecting the past and the present. So let's keep going and I show you guys more places around here. We have arrived in this site here. This is also one of the most historical site right here in Istanbul city, and this is the church actually, as you guys can see, Istiklal Caddesi. This is Jubilee Church. Today is actually Sunday. A lot of people came here for prayers today, and there's a whole lot of history here, as you guys can see. This is the church right from up there, up to down. Look at it, man. Let me show you guys. This is the Jubilee Church right here in Istanbul city, and let me take you close there so that you guys can see the name very well and clear. There are a whole lot of history somewhere here. Let me show you guys. This one, something written here, Jesus Christ, divine Son of God. And there are a whole lot of different things here. So this is it. There are a whole lot of things here that explain a lot about this church here. So I don't know, but in case one day you come here, you have to come to this site also to see these things here. There's a sculpture here that I don't know. Let's look at it. This is the church, the Jubilee Church. Right here. Let me show you. So we are now inside the church here, and actually right behind me here there's some books which they are selling right here inside the church. So if you want to buy them, you can buy them and you read more about the Christian religion right here in Istanbul city, you understand? For example, there's this one for prayers and it's written in Turkish language. There are a whole lot of different books here. This one is for 100 Turkish lira and this one for 50. Different ones, you understand? So let's keep going. I will show you guys around. Actually, I don't know about this. I don't know what it's for. Excuse me. This no problem. So this is it, man. Right here inside the Jubilee Church, right here in Istanbul city. Take a look at it behind there. This is the statue of Lord Jesus Christ of Nazareth right up there. I don't know whether you guys can see it well, but that's it right over there. So let me take you guys around and show you some more other things here. So let's go. You know, moving inside this church just takes me back, like I'm just moving into history, you understand? Because this church was built long time ago and it lives up to the present day in Turkey here. So it's just like I'm walking through history right here, you understand? So we are leaving the church now. I'm going out and I'll be taking you guys again deep down the Istiklal, the Independence Street right here in Istanbul city. Let's keep going. This car here, I don't know, it's just making noise to people, man. So this is garbage car collecting garbages right here on the street of Istanbul city. So for me, I'm just here, man, vlogging around, taking you guys around, showing you guys the beautiful part of Istanbul city, the busiest part of Istanbul city, and the most you know, crowded parts of Istanbul city right here. So let's keep going. And there's some street foods here. See, one thing I want you to know about this street is that like everything that you need is just right here on the street, whether it being food, whether it being drinks, whether it being history, whether it being what, everything is just right here on this street. As you can see, I took you guys before to the church. There's a church here and there are mosques here. There are a whole lot of different things here, you understand? So, and the place is just crowded, man. This is Istanbul Chamber of Industry. This is the Chamber of Industry right here in Istanbul city. And let's keep going, man. Actually, I can say this street is one of the most historical and the best streets right here in Istanbul city. Street food, everything, and people from different countries just come here, you know, to explore the place. Mostly the tourists came to this site, you understand, just to explore the place. Most people from different countries, they come here, you know, to just explore. Most of the tourists, they come to this site, and that's why you can see the place is just busy. People are busy, understand? I'm also busy here showing you guys this beautiful part of Istanbul city. So let's keep going as I show you guys more of it. Let's go, man. That's it right here. Some street foods right here. I don't know what it is, but this is one of the Turkish street foods right here in Istanbul city. But I've never tried it before, and I hope that soon I will try this in my coming videos, because in my coming videos I'll be doing a lot of videos here about Istanbul city. I want to explore Istanbul. I want to go to different places in Istanbul here and show you guys the beautiful part of this you know, amazing city right here in Turkey. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also if there is a place here in Istanbul that you want me to go and make a video of it and share with you guys, make sure you comment it below, and I'm gonna do it for you guys. Right there's some Turkish ice cream and some, you know, doner, a whole lot of different things, understand, some tatli right here. Yeah, it's just amazing, man. Look at it here, whole lot of different things right here in Istanbul city. You cannot walk on this street and you just be hungry, understand? Because there's food everywhere. There are street foods that if you want to buy, just the only thing that you want to carry with you is money. Carry plenty of money, carry a lot of money with you, and your journey here will be just something that you cannot forget in your life, you understand? Let's look at it. Mado, I think this is from Gaziantep. Yeah, these are the things from mostly the fistic, the granite, the nuts that they use for making these tatli here. Mostly they bring them from Gaziantep city. Yeah, I can see I think it's of Gaziantep this side also. So amazing, man. Some shops here in the Istiklal Caddesi, right here in Istanbul city. Let's keep going. Let's keep going as I show you guys. I want to grab some bottle of water from here and I drink. Merhaba abi. Bir su ne kadar? Let's grab for myself some bottle of water here because I'm very thirsty right now. I have to take some water. Look at it, man. Look at it. I think now it's full. Yeah. A lot of people inside there. It's just amazing, man. The vibe here is, I can say it's extraordinary, man. But let's keep going as I show you guys more of this ahead here. So nice, man. It's still diving down the street, the independent street of Istanbul, Istiklal Caddesi, right here in Istanbul city, man. Let's keep going. Diving down. We are now almost reaching to the end of the street because this is where the train normally stops. So, and right to the other side, this is the road going to the Galata Tower right here in Istanbul city. And in my coming videos I'll be exploring all these places and share them with you guys. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and be part of the family, because these days I will be uploading a lot of videos to you guys. So if you have been watching the video from the beginning up to now, I just want to say thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed and be part of the family. So thank you guys so much.